I'm going to show you how to register a UK company in just 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps, the real costs, and how to avoid the common mistakes that trip people up. What type of company should you choose? Most people want a private, limited company. This gives you limited liability, meaning if your business has problems, your personal assets like your house and car are protected. It's the smart choice for 95% of new businesses. Here are the 4 things you must have. First, a company name ending in limited or LTD. Second, at least one director, aged 16 or over. Third, at least one shareholder. Fourth, a UK registered office address. The same person can be both director and shareholder. So if it's just you starting the business, you're covered. If you want professional help with your UK company formation, or you need services like registered office addresses, nominee directors, or ongoing compliance support, check out ZDK Formation's website. We've helped thousands of entrepreneurs from over 50 countries register their UK companies quickly and correctly. Visit zdkformations.co.uk to see how we can make your business formation even easier. Here is step-by-step registration process. Step 1. Check your company name. Go to the Companies House website and use their name availability checker. Your name must be unique and can't be too similar to existing companies. Avoid sensitive words that need special approval. Step 2. Get a UK address. Can foreigners register a company in the UK? Yes, absolutely, but you need a UK registered office address. If you don't live in the UK, use a professional address service. They cost around £50 to £100 per year and handle all official mail. Step 3. Prepare your information. You'll need full names and dates of birth for all directors. Home addresses for directors. These become public record. Details of shareholders and their shareholdings. Your UK registered office address. Step 4. Complete online registration. Visit the Companies House website and click Register a Company. The online form guides you through each section. Enter your company name, add director details, add shareholder information, confirm your registered office address, accept the standard articles of association, the rules for running your company. Step 5. Pay and submit. How much does it cost to register a company in the UK? Standard registration costs £50. Same-day registration costs £78. Pay by debit or credit card and submit your application. Step 6. Receive your certificate. How long will it take to register a company in the UK? Usually 24 hours for standard registration, 3 hours for same-day service. You'll get your certificate of incorporation by email. This proves your company legally exists. Key questions answered. Can a U.S. citizen start a business in the UK? Yes, there are no nationality restrictions. Americans, Canadians, Australians. Anyone can register a UK company with the same process. Is it hard to start a business in the UK? No, it's one of the easiest systems globally. The UK ranks 4th worldwide for ease of starting a business. What is required to register a company in the UK? Just the 4 items we covered: company name, director, shareholder, and UK address. No minimum capital, no complex documents. After registration, what happens next? Your company is automatically registered for corporation tax. You'll receive a unique taxpayer reference, UTR, within 2 to 3 weeks. You must file the confirmation statement annually, costs £34. Annual accounts to Companies House. Corporation tax return to HM Revenue and Customs, banking and VAT. Most UK banks will open accounts for new companies. International directors may need additional documentation, but it's straightforward. Register for VAT only if your annual turnover exceeds £85,000. Register for pay only if you employ staff, or pay yourself a salary above £12,570 annually. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't choose names too similar to existing companies. Remember that director information becomes public record. Anyone can see it. Don't ignore filing deadlines. Late filing means automatic penalties. If you want privacy, consider nominee director services, around £200 to £500 annually. Completely legal and keeps your name off public records. UK company registration takes 10 minutes online and costs £50. Over 650,000 companies register annually because the system works. Whether you're starting a consulting business, online store, or tech startup, this process is identical. Your business doesn't have to wait. The tools are there, the process is simple, and your company can be live tomorrow. If you want more tutorials for your business setup, hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more entrepreneurs like you. Subscribe for more business formation tips and UK entrepreneurship content. Share this video with your friends who might need help with the registration. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your business idea? Drop your thoughts below and I'll respond to as many as I can. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now.